Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please do also hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this look, so if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching.
Now she's applying her eyeshadow. She has already done her eyebrow. She's applying the eyeshadow. Okay, let's see how this will turn out. Okay, she's still applying her eyeshadow. Now she's applying the brown colored eyeshadow. I think she's about to apply the dark green eyeshadow. Okay, now she's applying it, the dark green eyeshadow. Wow, so beautiful. Okay. Now, this is interesting. She's applying the dark green eyeshadow. Yeah, looks good, sis. She's applying the dark green colored eyeshadow on her second eye. Wow, guys, doesn't she look beautiful? Okay, she's still applying it. Now she's blending the eyeshadow so that it will go with her skin. Okay, she's still blending. Take a look at it, guys. Still blending the eyeshadow. She's applying the black eyeshadow above the green eyeshadow. Now she's applying another color close to her eye. Okay, let's see how this will turn out. I love the eye look already. Wow, looks good. Perfect. Now she's applying her foundation on her face. Now she's blending it so that it will look good on her. Okay, she's applying, she's blending. Okay, she's still blending it. Keep watching, guys. Okay, still blending. Wow, looks good. She's blending the foundation down to her neck and her jaw. Now she's applying the concealer beneath her eyes. She's blending. Wow. I love it already. She looks good. I think this highlights the face. Now she's blending it. Now she's blending it. Okay, I think she's applying the setting powder to make her face even more bold and beautiful. Wow. Okay, she's applying it on her jaw, on her forehead. Okay, now it's like she's blending. Okay, she's still applying it. Okay, now she's applying the contour. She's about to apply the contour on her cheekbone, and the contour is from Zaron. Now she's blending the setting powder and the contour. Okay, I think she looked good already. She's beautiful. Now she's dusting off the excess powder off her face. Wow. I hope I'm not the only one seeing this. She looks good already. Now she's about to apply the bronzer. Okay, she's applying the highlighter on her cheekbone. Look at her glow, people. She's glowing already. Her face is starting to shine. Wow. Give them. Okay. She's applying a little on her forehead. And on the bridge of her nose. Okay. Now she's blending. Now she's applying the mascara on her eyelashes. Wow. Beautiful. She's still applying the mascara on the second eyelash. Okay. Wow, this looks good. Look at the turnout, guys. She looks beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to her channel and like this video. Give it a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell for more videos. See you guys next time. Bye.